Welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today we are diving into another powerful Excel function called COUNTA. If you have ever needed to count cells that are not empty, this function is perfect for you. Okay, let's dive right in. The COUNTA function in Excel is designed to count cells that contain any type of data, like text, numbers, dates, or symbols. It's useful when you want to know how many cells in a range have data without worrying about the data type. First, click on a blank cell where you want the count to appear. Now type equal sign COUNTA, open parenthesis. Value 1 is required. And this is where you put the range or cells you want to count. You can add more value. In this case, we will select cells from A2 to E6. After selecting, close the parenthesis and press enter. And there you go. Excel has counted all the cells with data in that range, ignoring the empty cells. COUNTA counts all non-empty cells. It's different from the count function, which only counts cells with numbers. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.